Dear students, today we are going to study Standard 10th, Subject Yoga, Health and Physical Education, Lesson 14, Volleyball, Part 2. In the previous lecture, in Part 1, we got the introduction of volleyball and skills as a service, passing, lifting. Now today we will get information about skill, smashing and rule of game. For skill, smashing. It means hitting the ball by one hand over the net in opponent's court forcefully is called smashing. For smashing, player takes off by two methods. First, one leg takeoff. Player runs and take jump with one leg, forcefully make arc of body and bring strong hand forward from backward to hit the ball which is set over the net is called one leg takeoff. Second, two leg takeoff. Player runs and takes jump with two legs, make arc of the body and bring strong hand forward from backward to hit the ball which is set over the net is called two leg takeoff. After smashing, rules of the game. First, point and set. The team that scored 25 points with difference of 2 points first will be declared winner except fifth set. If scores are equal at 24 points, the game shall continue till the lead of 2 points is achieved by a team, for example 26, 24, 27, 25, etc. In best of 5 sets, team which win 3 sets is declared winner. In case of 2-2 tie, the deciding fifth set is played up to 15 points with a minimum lead of 2 points. If both the teams score 14 points, then the game shall continue till the lead of 2 points is achieved by a team, for example 16-14, 17-15, etc. In the deciding set, when any team score 8 points, then the court is changed. Second, service. The first service of the first set as well as that of the deciding fifth set is executed by the team determined by the toss. The other sets will be started with the service of the team that did not serve first in the previous set. The players must follow the service order recorded on the lineup set. The server must hit the ball within 8 seconds after the whistles for service. The ball shall be hit for service after being tossed. If serving ball passes under the net and touches other players or antenna is considered as a foul. If server touches end line, it is considered as foul. Third, playing the ball. The team is entitled to a maximum of 3 hits except blocking for returning the ball from over the net to the opponent court. A player can not hit the ball twice consistently. When two or three team mates touch the ball simultaneously, then is counted as two hits or three hits, with the exception of blocking. When two opponents touch the ball simultaneously over the net and the ball remain in play, the team receiving the ball is entitled to another three hits. While playing a ball, if it is held for a moment, it is foul. Scooping, pushing, or carrying is also foul. Fourth, smashing and blocking. A front row player may act smashing at any height within his ground over the net. A, bo- a back row player may not smash over the net from attack zone. A back row player can hit the ball at any height from behind the attack line and may land in the attack zone. A player cannot touch the ball in the opponent's space over the net. The players who have touched the ball during the block, they can play ball once again and it will be considered as first touch. During block, the ball cannot be played in the opponent's space over the net. After a block contact, a team is entitled to 3 hits to return the ball. The ball is go out due to the block is foul. Blocking the opponent's service is foul. Fifth, fouls at the net. If ball touches the antenna or net outside the antenna is foul. If players touches the net while playing the game is foul. If players of both the teams touch the net simultaneously, then team who has served will serve again. No team will get point. During play, player crosses the center line is a foul. 6. Position of players and rotation. At the moment the ball is hit by the server, each team must be positioned within its own court in the rotation order. The three players nearer to the net are front row players and other three are back row players. After the service hit, the players may move around and occupy any position on their court. When the service change, the players of serving team rotate their position clockwise. The team commits a positional fault if any player is not in his her correct position at the moment the ball is hit by the server. If team commits a positional foul, it loses the rally and player's position must be rectified. Seventh, substitution. Each team may substitute a maximum of 6 substitutions per set. One or more players may be substituted at the same time within the same request. A substitute player may enter the ground in place of a player of the starting lineup, but only once per set, and he or she can only be substituted by the same starting player. After the legal substitution, over and in place of injured player, any player of team consisting of 12 players may enter in play. When a team has made an illegal substitution, they lose the rally and substitution must be rectified. If points are scored by the team at fault, they will be cancelled. After the legal substitution over and then man referee disqualify any player and removed from the play, then incomplete team will be considered and lose the set. 8. Timeout and interval. When ball is dead, coach or captain may ask for timeout. Each team may ask maximum for 2 timeouts. All team all timeouts will last for 30 seconds. During all timeouts, the players must go to free zone. If serious accident occurs to any player while the ball is in play, the referee must stop the game immediately and then rally is replayed. If an injured player cannot be substituted legally, then the player is given a 3 minutes recovery time. If the player does not prepare to play in stipulated time, then his team will be declared as an incomplete. An interval time between two sets is of 3 minutes. During this of time, the change of court and give rotation order of the teams to the scorer. In the deciding set, once the leading team reach 8 points, the team change court immediately without changing the position of the players. Number 9. The libero player. One libero player may be designated from the list of 12 players who have registered. The libero player has to wear a uniform which has a different color and design from the rest of team. With proper permission of the referee, injured libero player can be substituted, but he can not replace again for rest of match. Libero cannot attack as a team captain. Sorry, Libero cannot act as a team captain. The Libero players may enter or leave the court from the designated place by taking permission from referee before the play start or ball is not in play. Libero may not serve, block or smashing. Then last, misconduct. Any misconduct by a player will be penalized. For first time a player will be warned and is it recorded in score sheet. Repeated misconduct by the same player will be expelled and shall not play for the rest of the set. A player who become aggressive and offensive, he will be debarred from the play immediately and will not play the rest of the matches. For the smooth conduct of the game, referee may show the different color cards to the players according to the needs and give instruction. Yellow card or warning or caution, red card, expulsion from set or the of the tournament or rest of the tournament. The student, here the lesson ends here. Thank you.